apply the condensed glue gel because I want to cap this glitter, this beautiful glitters in one place. And I'm going to cap it first with the condensed glue gels. And don't forget the no wipe top coat. Okay. Floating right on the top. And now, if you don't want any glitters, anything's on it, you are going to cure for like 30 seconds, for 60 seconds if you full cure, but I'll do for 30 seconds because we're going to go back and do a couple more nails, 3 more nails. So, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds because I am go ahead and using my 4D gels, which is I got it yesterday from my subscription box, Funky. It's a great time to sub now because you have your box right, you know, beginning of the cycle, and then you can enjoying it for, we're always doing it 2 weeks ahead because we want you to all have the products way ahead of the time. I closed it back last night. All right, so I'm gonna using the crystal picker and pick a couple of the beads. Maybe I'll do 3 beads like the same with that one, or maybe I should do this one on that, because you see that how the cat eyes line that I created on this side, I'm gonna do the flowers opposite, so then you can still see the cat eyes effects underneath. Okay, or however you would like, you can do the same length, the same line. The best thing about 4D gel is absolutely stunning. You don't have to worry about it's gonna be dry or anything at all until you are going to cure it. So you have like all the time in the world. You don't have to worry about it's gonna set on you. You can definitely start working with the 4D gels and taking a nap, I guess, and it come back, it's still there. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to set. It's not going to melt at all. So all you need is a 3D dual brush, and you're gonna press it down and release it right away. Just don't like really manipulating it too much. Just press down, release, press down, release, and don't worry about if it's gonna be perfect or not. We are going to perfect it in a little bit. Press down right in the center, press down and release, press and release, press and release. The same thing like that. Just really don't think too hard. Just press and release. So I'm go ahead and do it, and then just really gentle touch and release, touch and release. You know, trust me, you're doing it like a couple times, you're gonna get hang of it. So a lot of you will say, oh, it looks easy, you make it look easy. No, trust me, trust your process. All the progress will take you to, and then press down, release. Same thing, press down and release. Press down and release. You don't know how much we're excited to see everyone this weekend. Press down, press down, press down, press down and release. I love this color. This is so cool. You see me do yellows a lot, right? I did a lot of purple before too, and then we did yellow. Just all different kind of colors. Press down, and then you can press down, but don't do it too thin though, because you don't want to be too thin that it's getting like sticking your tool. So you want to do it enough. And let me turn it that is, this should be good and enough. You don't want to be too thin to the point that is like make the petals like break or rip off. All right, so now I'm going to show you something that's really cool. I'm going to go ahead and using condensed glue gel. It's still wet, okay? It's still wet. And I'm going to add just a little bit of condensed glue gels on right in the center. Right in the middle of these 2 petals. And then keep in mind, if you want to keep going with the petals, you see that I did like 6 petals, 2, 3, 6 petals. And then this one is 2 petals. So however you would like, there's a lot of video there. I saved them all there for us. So if you want to add more petal, absolutely is going to be gorgeous as well. So I'm going to adding a no wipe top coat on right on the top. I think I'm looking for the little curve circle frame. Can you get it from my kit? From my crystal kit? A little circle frame. I totally spaced out and forgot I should get this circle. But you know what? If not, do not worry. Guess what happened? I have my crystal kit. No. Huh? Can I get the other one? Can I get the other kit? This is my favorite kit. And then I have a sister kit. So the sister kit had the colors I want for this flowers. No, the other kit. Oh, this is glow in the not glow in the dark neon. I'm using this. Hugh just pass it to me, then I'll just see. I'm using this drop. I love this drop so much, and I did use that drop, and then the number 16 for the hat. But this is the second kit. The first kit is the sister kit. I mean the big sister. This is a little sister. And I think I am going to use this super cute diamond shard in like a green colors. You think? Does that look good? Mm-hmm. Does that look cute? Perfect. I'm going to do like frame on that. Look at that frame. It's so attractive. I'm planning to do like a frame like that. Or the pink one. I mean the round one. But I found the perfect shot on that. So I'm using this. And it's great that it has condensed glue gels, no white top coat, and also the 4D gels. I am going to flash cure for 30 seconds. I will go back with the crystal placement shortly. We already top coated, you know.
And you're gonna put more crystal on it?
Yeah, I'm put frame, couple frame.
Okay, so cute first.
Yeah, 30 seconds. And I'm gonna pick a couple frame right here and to put that on that beauty flower. So Hugh's gonna have me look at all of your comments. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm just really into it because I so excited about it's a therapy for me. I got a really busy day thanks to every single of you. For the amazing love and support. All right, it's busy days, and I just stopped break for a couple hours eating a frozen yogurt, non-fat frozen yogurt. But it's say non-fat, but I put ton of like chocolate and everything in that. But it's okay, I like it. Just talking to myself. Dom, hello Dom. Dom is one of Glitz brand ambassadors, so talented and so good at what she's doing. I'm so enjoying it. Her gel painting is thebomb.com. I was earlier, we have Brazil's, which is she's at Bellis Nails, one of ours like Glitz talented brand ambassador. We're gonna be all in the premiere Orlando. We can't wait to see everyone. So I'm gonna apply this really thin good coat of a condensed glue gel. Not too much, not too thick, not too thin, because too thick is gonna flood out your crystal. Too thin is going to not adhere to crystal properly. So I am going to apply the top coat again. You know what? Just because I want a couple frame in here, that's all. But if you don't want anything else, you are done. And then putting your is precision glue gel. I keep forgetting about precision glue gel. It looks like a butterflies.
Close enough.
You can tell that I'm obsessed with all the frame. It is. Okay, one more. One more. No, I need the straight one though instead of curved one. I just cut it. If you can't find the length, like sometimes I love the frame like this and I can't find it, I'll just cut it shorter. Hold on, where I'm at. Double frame. All right. Oh, looks cool, huh? Do you see the glitters underneath? I mean, the dramatic glitter. And also, you see the cute little frame. I'm gonna add the glow-in-the-dark crystal that I got it from the glow-in-the-dark kits. I put in my tray because in that way I won't like have to worry about my kits. It's gonna be knocked off like I usually happen to me like that. Yeah, looks good. So simple, right? It's super easy, and if you're doing this to the clients, they will be so happy, and it's so not difficult to do with the 40 gel. And wanna flash gear really quick, 30 seconds, because we're moving on the next nails. Okay, you done?